Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be answering a question that I've been getting a lot lately. Does Relay Bank have bill pay? Context. Before we get into the answer, let's talk a little bit about Relay Bank. Relay Bank is a relatively new online bank that offers a variety of banking services, including checking accounts, savings accounts, and credit cards. One of the things that makes Relay Bank unique is that they don't have any physical branches. Instead, they offer their services entirely online. Answer. So, does Relay Bank have bill pay? The answer is yes. Relay Bank offers a bill pay feature that allows you to pay your bills online. How to use Relay Bank's bill pay? Log into your Relay Bank account. Click on the Bill Pay tab. Enter the information for the bill you want to pay, including the payee's name, address, and account number. Enter the amount of the bill. Choose the date you want the bill to be paid. Click Submit. Once you've submitted your bill payment, Relay Bank will take care of the rest. They will send the payment to your payee on the date you specified. Additional features. In addition to the basic bill pay feature, Relay Bank also offers a number of other features that can make your life easier. For example, you can set up automatic payments for recurring bills. You can also view your payment history and track your upcoming payments. Conclusion. If you're looking for an online bank that offers bill pay, Relay Bank is a great option. They offer a variety of features that can make your life easier, and they're a relatively new bank, so they're always looking for ways to improve their services. Call to action. If you're interested in learning more about Relay Bank, I encourage you to check out their website or give them a call. Outro. And that's it for today. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any other questions about Relay Bank, please leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Here are some additional things to keep in mind when writing a YouTube video script. Write in a conversational style. Use simple language that everyone can understand. Break up your script into short paragraphs. Use strong visuals to illustrate your points. Edit your script carefully to make sure it's clear and concise. Proofread your script carefully to make sure it's free of errors. By following these tips, you can create engaging YouTube videos that will help your viewers learn more about Relay Bank and other topics. Finally, here are some resources that you may find helpful. Relay Bank website, invalid URL removed. Relay Bank customer service phone number. I hope this script is helpful.